Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive and restore them later, follow these step-by-step instructions for Android devices. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 2. Tap on Chats in the Settings menu, then select Chat Backup. This screen shows when your chats were last backed up and provides backup options. Step 3. Tap on Google Account and select the Google account you want to use for backups. If no account is linked, you will be prompted to sign in or add a Google account. Step 4. Choose your backup frequency by tapping on Backup to Google Drive. You can select daily, weekly, monthly, or only. When I tap Backup to control automatic backups. Step 5. Select whether to include videos in your backup. Be aware that video backups can take up significant Google Drive storage space and may use your mobile data. Step 6. Choose your backup network preference, Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular. Using Wi-Fi only saves mobile data, but may delay backups if you are not connected to Wi-Fi. Step 7. Tap Backup to manually start an immediate backup. WhatsApp will upload your messages, photos, and videos to Google Drive based on your settings. Step 8. To restore chats on a new device, install WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and follow the prompts to restore your chat history from Google Drive when offered. Ensure you use the same Google account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.